Hello everyone. Today we will do paper chromatography lab with washable markers. Chromatography is a method of physically separating mixtures into its individual components. It's a laboratory technique that is used to identify unknown components in mixture. So before starting, please read the instructions here. There are some definitions that we need to go through for the analysis of our markers. So before starting the lab, please answer these questions. Define chromatography. The answer is right here. This is chromatography. It is a technique to separate mixtures. What are you separating in the ink? You are separating different colors, different inks, different pigments. Which chemicals will move the further up the paper? If the chemicals dissolve faster and if they have smaller particles, they will move farther up in the paper. What does the RF stand for and what does it compare? The RF means retention factor. It is a retention factor. So it separates to two different ink. How fast or how slow they move on the paper. That is what it compares on the chromatography. RF is retention factor and it compares the speed of the particles that moved on the paper. So this is your procedure. You will be given a small cup. You will fill it with a little bit water. It is about 10 milliliter. You don't need to measure it. I will give you a marker. And then you will mark 1.5 centimeter with a pencil. And then we will put this paper into the solvent, but it has to be attached to a wooden stick or some pencil so it can stand on the cup, and then we will observe how they separate the ink. Okay, and then I will help you with the calculation. Before starting experiment, I want to show you one small video about this chromatography.